Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and on this Hyundai Sonata we're going to go over how you would manually open up your fuel cap or your fuel cover on the outside to be able to put fuel in the vehicle. Say you've hit the button and it doesn't work because whether the battery was dead or whether the fuse has gone bad, but you need to get fuel in your vehicle. There is a manual way to do that. And first you would open up the trunk, whether you need to manually open up your trunk or you can hit the pop button to pop the trunk, and that will unlock the trunk itself. With your trunk raised, you can come back here into the back, and right here it has a lever. It's velcroed to there, and it says fuel door release emergency handle. So you would be able to pull that and it'll open it up. Sometimes they're built in a little cover here on different vehicles, and you would just open up those covers and then you can release your. So you just pull that lever and it manually pulls the popper back, and then that way you can be able to get in to fuel up your car. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.